Hello, I'm Chris Catlin, Executive Director of Cambodia Action, and thank you so much for your attention. I want to introduce to you a trip that we are making to discover Cambodia and its opportunities in 2025. Jesus said that we should look up and observe the harvest fields. Later, he said that we were to take the gospel to all nations and make disciples. Two distinct commands that we are to follow. More importantly, this great nation of Cambodia is on the heart of Jesus. Cambodia has a rich and fascinating culture. And thankfully, it's an open and inviting country. Over 80% of its 17 million people regard themselves as Buddhists. Among the more than 20 different reached and unreached people groups living within its borders, there are many diverse belief systems. The government is favorable towards Christianity, and thank the Lord for that. Also, the church is vibrant in that nation. It's growing and it's reaching out. To top this, Cambodian Christians welcome those who want to help them in carrying out the Lord's commands. Do you feel led to serve overseas? Do you have a desire to bring transformation through your skills? Do you want to be instrumental in the lives of children, or perhaps minister to those who are incarcerated in prison, or even perhaps visit those who are considered marginalised? Yet, you're wondering, where should I start? Cambodia Action, along with its partners, is offering an opportunity for you to explore the Kingdom of Wonder, as it is fondly called, with both ministry and practical experiences. During this trip, we'll be visiting cultural centers and enjoying both the city life of Phnom Penh and the more rural life of the outlying provinces. So, why not join us on our 10-day trip to explore Cambodia? We plan to go the first week of November, flying out of London and returning 10 days later. Please don't hesitate to be in touch with us. If you have any questions or you'd like to email or phone me, the details are on the screen at the end of this video. Thank you once again, as we have an opportunity to discover Cambodia. God bless.